Welcome, today in front of me Realme Narzo 50A Prime, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint here to the fingerprint scanner on our power key button a couple of seconds ago, and now, as can you see, I can unlock the device with my fingerprint. So now I'll just make a couple of tries to unlock that, and we'll see how fast and how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the fingerprint scanner works really fast here. We just can unlock the device less than in half second. So as can you see, I just make a really simple touches here. So by this way we can unlock our device, and I suggest you to try that. If you, for example, like some unlock methods like the fingerprint or passcodes, you can try that, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code or pattern. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.